coffee table and sofa sets. And here is our chair corner with some office table, visitor chair, some meeting chair, some manager chair. And here is our largest size. You can see the meeting table, the sofa set, the manager table, the sofa set, here the coffee table. We can overlook about the manager room, about the manager table, and the cabinets, the sofa sets, and the coffee table. First of all, I will introduce about the manager tables for you first. And you can see that the manager table, the table leg design is very special. You can see the line about the manager table. And the table leg also is powder coating finish. And then you can see that about the tabletop here with the round corner and transverse design, also with the PVC edge banding. It's very nice. You can overlook about the tabletop. The square is very beautiful, and also it's different from other designs. Normally the office tabletop design is not like here. And then I will show you the cable, the cabinet. And you can see that the cabinet here with the drawer and with the sliding door. And like the sliding door with the soft closing functions, you can see that. So it's very slight. And like here, you also can put some CPU here. And then you also can see that the molded, the square of the molded also is very special. And come here, you can see that here with the cable outlet. So the cable outlet can meet your working need. I want to introduce for you about our cabinets. Like here, you also can see that with many space, you can put some plan here, some book, some artwork, and also some finals. And here, you can put some clothes here. Here also have a wardrobe. And you also can see that the whole color design is very matched with the manager tables, the color with the walnut color and gray color designs. And next we will see that here also have a sofa set and the coffee table. We can have a try. And like the sofa set, the single sofa, the color with two color designs. So the design is very modern. And like here with the light green and dark green color. And you also can check the sliding here. It's very beautiful and nice. And like the sofa base, here the sofa base also with the mantle design. And the sofa also is inside the sofa also with the wooden frame. And next here we can see that with the coffee table. The coffee table, the color design is very matched with the cabinet. And here with two drawers, you can put some newspaper, some magazine here. The base also is the powder coat. Here the base is the wooden base design. And then, yes, here is the wooden base design. And then you can see that with the single sofa and three sets of sofa, and here with the small coffee table, and the coffee table this size. You can also put something, put some LC, put some newspaper here. And now if you like the product, you can see that here with the email address and phone number. You can call us or send emails for us. We can send you the catalog or the price. Now I will introduce for you about the meeting table. You can see that the meeting table, the table leg this size is also same as the manager table. The line is very beautiful. And also like the tabletop, here also is transfer this size. And here you can see that like and you can see that here with the cable outlet here, you can put 3 sockets inside, and the cable also with the brush, you can put 3 cable here, but 3 sockets here. Also have a soft closing functions, and maybe like the meeting table, the size is too small for you. We also can customize the size for you. If you have like floor plan or CAD, you can send to us. We also can do some furniture option for you. And now I will introduce the 4 people workstation for you. The color, the size of the workstation is walnut color and gray color this size, and the table leg this size also is same as the meeting table leg. The line is very beautiful, and you also can see that the workstation also with 3 socket this size. You can see that here with 3 socket this size, and then here with 4 drawers, also have lock with 2 lock here. And you also can see that here with the screen, the screen thickness is about 10 mm, and also you can change other color. And all the 4 people workstation, each table also have the cable outlet to meet the working need. If you like our products, you can see that the base here with the email address and phone number. You can call us or email for us to ask for the catalog or price. Thank you. You can overlook about the workstation first. And here is the 4 people workstation. You can see that here the table leg this size very special. The table leg this size is from the water drop this size, and you can see that the base also with high adjust functions. And here you can high adjust 5 to 7 mm to full touch about the floor. And then you can see that here the tabletop with the melamine finish, and here the edge bending is PVC 2 mm. So the design is very nice. And then you can focus on the screen. About the screen, the material of the screen is MDF. The thickness of the screen is about 10 mm. And here is the fabric finish. You also can change other color. And go next. You can see that here also have the cable, and the cable have 2 drawers. You can come close to check about the drawer here. You can see that here also is the melamine finish. That is very nice and beautiful. And go next, you can come here to see here with 2 places to put the CPU, and also with 1 cable outlet and 4 sockets. Yes, here with the 4 sockets and have 2 places to put the CPU. And next, here is the one design about our workstation, and I will introduce for you about another design. Here also is the design for 4 people, and you also can customize for 2 people, for 4, for 6, for 8. And also like the table leg design is with the water drop design, and also with hydraulic function to full touch the table, to full touch the floor. And the difference from that one is the side cabinet. You can see that. And like here you also can put the CPU, and in the cable here also have the cable outlet. So you also can put the CPU here. And also with soft closing function. And like this one, the screen also is MDF finish, and the thickness also is 10 mm. You can see that here with the cabinet, and you can see that the color is very special. Here with the Tiffany color and have many space. You can put some photos, some artwork, some books, some vinyls here. And I will show you that here also have the wardrobe. You can put some clothes here. Like afterward you can go to the spot, and you can put some clothes here, and you can change the clothes. And like here also can put some shoes. So the design is very nice. And you can also focus the base. Here also is melamine finish, also with soft closing function.
Hello everyone, this is Lily. Today I want to bring you our new design, a product for executive officer. Let's have an overlook of this office room. You can see we have the file cabinet, the executive desk. We also have the single-seat sofa, the small tea table, 3-seat sofa, and long tea table. Let's have an overlook of this room again. You can see the whole design of this room is very beautiful, very elegant, and you can see it is very mature to our executive officer because they look more senior, look more mature. Okay, now let's have a look of this executive desk. Let's have a closely look about it. You can see for the tabletop we have two finish of the tabletop. For this part we use the melamine paper to do the surface finish. You can see this paper is very special. It has different color in the same paper. Some place is lighter and some place is darker, and if you look shining under the lights. Okay, now let's have a see of this part. This part, you can see among 2/3 of this tabletop we use PU finish for the table, so it brings up the level of our product. Here you can work here and you can write some file here, and you can move the mouse of your computer very easily with the PU decoration. You can check. Let's come closer and check the detail of the PU leather. You can see it is in very good finish. Look very beautiful, even the edge. Yes, we make a very beautiful finish of this. And for this part, you can see we also have a light gray. This part is for the painting finish. We use HDF to make this part. You can check. It looks very beautiful. So we have three colors for this product: light gray, the black PU, and the melamine. You can see. This product is inspired by the ceiling. So you can have a look of the table leg. It is in a curved shape, so which will look like to the ceiling. Okay, now let's have a look of the side return. Let's check about the side cabinet. You can see we use fingerprint lock here. When the light turns red, this drawer is locked. You can see when the light turns green, this drawer is unlocked. Let me open it for you. So this part, you can put some very important file or very valuable personal belonging here. It can offer you a more safety place here. And now let's have a look of the inner part. You can see we have two shelves inside, and you can put the CPU. You can also put some personal belonging. And for this part, we get a drawer. You can see the inner of the drawer. Every board we use the very beautiful melamine paper to do the surface finish. For every part, you can see it's very beautiful. And you can have a look of the hardware. We use very high quality hardware here. So it works very well. When you open it, when you close it, it works very well. Let's see. It has the soft closing function. So we use very high quality hardware here. And now let's have a look of the wire management. Here you can see we have a very long place for you for the wire management system. We also have a brush here. It can help you to manage the wire more efficient. And now let's have a look. Let's open it. Let's see. We have a very large space. And come closer. Let's have a look of this part. This is the multifunctional wire box. We got two USB, three 3-in-1 socket, and we also have a power button here. Also, for this part, you can customize the wire box that you like. We have many options for you. You can choose the wire box you like. And here is for the layout. For the layout, you can put the CPU under here, and then the wire can come out from here and connect the power. And you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 hardware to support this panel. So it also have the soft closing function. So you don't worry if you hurt your finger. It works very well. Okay, now let's come to the file cabinet. You can see we also have two colors for the file cabinet, the light gray and the melamine paper. You can see. Here we have a rail for you to hang some clothes. And let's check the soft closing function. It works very well. And you can press it to close it. Okay, now let's see. We have 3 shelves here for you to put some document or to put some decoration. And we also get the slide door in this part. We got 2 slide doors here. You can see it works very well. It works very well. Very smooth. Okay, let's come closer and have the check of the detail. You can see for the shelf, we make a very beautiful finish. Very beautiful melamine finish. And now let's check about the bottom part. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 drawers, and each drawer have 1 door. We got 4 doors together in total. Let's see the soft closing function. It works very well, and we match a very beautiful color here. Okay, now let's have a look of the sofa set. I think the sofa area is very important for an executive man because they may have many important visitors, so they need to have a place to entertain them. Okay, now you can see we got a whole set product. The tea table, the sofa. So now let's have a check of the detail. First, let's start from the tea table. You can see we got 1 drawer here, and we also get 1 drawer here. And about the storage of this tea table, we side and the left side. In the same design, you can see we got 1 door here, 1 drawer here. We also got 1 door on this side and 1 drawer. You can see the design is very good. You can put some magazine, put some water, put some snack. Okay, let's have a look of the small tea table. You can see the small tea table is very beautiful. We got a drawer on this side. You can see we got a drawer here. For the tea table, we got 1 drawer and 1 shelf for you to put some things. Okay, now let's have a look of the sofa, of the detail of the sofa. You can see we got 1 color. This color is the dark gray, and this color is look like cream. We match this color together, and let's have a careful look of the metal leg. This metal leg is in very special design. It's not the very normal design. It is in the special design. We got 4 metal leg and 2 metal leg each side to give a very good support to our sofa. And let's see about the pillow. We got 2 large pillows here. You can see it is movable and it is very soft. It can give you very good support when you sit down here. Now let's have a close look of the sofa. You can see the finish. The leather is in very good quality, and the finish made by our factory worker is very beautiful because each of our workers, they work for our company more than 5 years. They are very skillful, so we can have a very good control of the quality. You can see the inner of this sofa is wooden frame. So the support, the construction of our sofa is very solid.
I want to introduce for you about our chair corner. You can see that. Like the first one is our manager chair, here with the handrest, and like here also have the lumbar support, can high adjust. And next one is our visitor chair. You can see that also have lumbar support, have high adjust function. And here is the meeting chair, you can see that here with the handrest have high adjust function. Like the base, also with the powder coating steel base. And go next. Here also some office chair. You can see. Like here also have the lumbar support.
If you are looking for a more luxury design, we can recommend one product to you. You will feel very amazing because it is in very beautiful design with many intelligence function. Let's have a look. Here you can see this is the meeting table of this serial. We call this serial Prada. Yes, the same name of the Italian luxury brand. You can see it is very beautiful. And look at the tabletop, look at the edge. It is in a round corner. A round corner. It looks very beautiful. And let's have a look of the middle part. Here we use the painting finish. You can see this is the brush, and you can move this board. Under it is the multifunctional wire boss. Also, you can customize this part. You can choose the function you need and replace this model into the one that you like. We got the multifunctional on both parts of the board of the table. You can see also here. And now let's look at the tabletop. The tabletop, it is about 14mm thickness, and we may use the natural veneer to make the top finish. You can see it's very beautiful, and when you touch it, you can feel the texture of the natural veneer, natural wood veneer. You can see the design of the table leg is very special. It is inspired by the hotel in Dubai. You can see this design is very famous. This hotel is very famous. So we apply this design to the table leg. You can see this part is the building body, and this we use the Amullion oily base. You can check. So the design of the table leg is very beautiful. Here is also a round shape, a half round shape table leg. And for the modest panel, here we also use the painting finish and the veneer finish. The meeting chair, you can see we got the aluminum oily base for the support. And for the seat, for the chair body, you can see here is very soft. Inside of it is not spongy, not high density foam. It's the down feather. So it will look very soft. When you sit on it, you will feel very comfortable. This is the most comfortable chair that I have ever sit. I can promise you this chair is very comfortable. You can see the design of the back, the curve can fit our body very well. And also the armrest, we have the soft pillow here. The design is very special of the armrest. You can see it's very beautiful. And we got two color leather for the chair. Let's have a look of the back. Here you can adjust it. This is the mechanism that can adjust the height of the lumbar support. When you adjust this, you can feel the lumbar support, the location of the lumbar support is changing. So it can fit your body more better. Okay, now let's have a look of the executive desk and the file cabinet. You can see it's very beautiful. This product looks very luxury. The reason of it is that we adapt the design idea from the luxury brand Prada. You can see. Let's have a careful close look of the table. You can see the table finish is the same as the meeting table. And let's have a look of the middle of the table. Here we also use the PU leather. You can also choose it to be a superfiber leather. It touches very well and can bring up the level of the product. You can write down something directly here. Okay, now let's have a look of the table leg. It is also, we all use the same design as the meeting table. It is also inspired by the hotel. And let's have a look of the side return. Here we use the fingerprint lock. When the light turns red, it is locked. And when the light turns green, it is unlocked. You can set your own fingerprinter for the lock. And here you can see the finish here. Come closer and have a carefully check. You can see we apply the design of Prada bag into our product. Let's have a look. You can see the finish of the bag and the finish of our drawer. You can have a very careful check. And the inside, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each side of the drawer board, we use the leather finish here, so it looks very beautiful. You can see the drawer works very well. It has the soft closing function. Okay, let's have a look about this. We got drawer here. Also, the board of the door, we use the same design here, same finish here. Inside is the HDF with HDF, and the outside we make the leather finish. You have the soft closing function. We got 1, 2 drawer here, and inside of here is for the CPU. You can put the CPU here, and here is also the wire management system. Okay, now let's have a look of the most important part, the very intelligent voice wake up multifunctional wire box. Let's see. Here we got 3-in-1 charge wire here. The length can be pulled out. Let's see. And you can put it back like here. You can design how long you need. Here. And let's see. By pressing the power button, it can go down and go up. Let's see. It can also control by your voice. It is voice wake up. You can see. Let me show you. 小爱小爱，芝麻关门。芝麻关门。小爱小爱，芝麻开门。See, if you choose our product, you even can learn Chinese, right? Okay, this is the password of the voice wake up. Let me show you again. 小爱小爱，芝麻关门。小爱小爱，芝麻开门。It is amazing, right? But you need to learn Chinese first, or you can only control it by pressing the button. Okay, let's see the other side of the wire box. We got 3-in-1 power socket here. Let's see. Here is the 3-in-1 power socket, and here you can get the wire charge for the phone, and here you can get the wireless charging for your phone, if your phone support it. Let's see. You are charging your phone now. Have you seen it? Yes. Okay. Okay, now we have finished our table. And let's have a look of our file cabinet. This file cabinet, you can see on the each side is 4 shelves. You can put some file cabinet, you can put some decoration here, and in the middle, here are 2 sliding doors. You can see it works very well. And inside of it, we got the closet rack for you to put some clothes. You can see the finish of the board, all in veneer finish, very beautiful. Here we got 1 drawer. For the drawer panel, you can see we also have the leather finish. It's very beautiful. And let's pull it out. You can check. Each board, each side will make a very beautiful veneer finish here. Have the soft closing function. You can see? Very good, very nice. Here also is a drawer. And now let's close the door. Close the sliding door. You can see it works very well. Okay, now the door is closed. Let's see. We got the light here. By pressing this button, you will have the light. Yeah, have you seen the button? It is to control the light. Let's have a look of the light. Let me show you. We got the light here. You can adjust it by keeping pressing it. And you can turn on it by a very quick press. Like this. And also we have the light here. Same design of both sides to have a better show of your personal belonging. Okay, let's have an overlook of the file cabinet again. Let me show you. Open the door. Close the door. It worked very well. Right? Very perfect. And you can see the pattern of the door. It is made by hand. We need to choose this direction by hand, and then make the veneer finish to make a very beautiful pattern. Okay, now we are going to introduce you the sofa. Let's have a look.
And I know that maybe that cabinet is too big for you, and now I will introduce for you the small one. You can see that the cabinet also here with the round corner this size. And you can see that here with the painting finish, the color is matched with the table. And like here you can see that it's very nice. You can see the space of the cabinet. And you also can come close to see that here also is veneer finish. And with the hardwood, with 4 hardwood here, 1, 2, 3, 4, with 4 hardwood here. And now I will show you the soft closing. And next, I will introduce about the sofa for you. First of all, I will introduce the single sofa for you. And you can see that here the handrest with high adjust function. You can adjust the angle you need. Like here, you can adjust. Like here, you can give your hand support. And you also can lie down the handrest. Like this. You also can lie down the handrest. The angle, like here, you also can have a rest here. It's always very comfortable. And you see that all the sofa sets also with the pillow this size. And the removed pillow this size can give your back very good support. And now I will show you the angle it can high adjust. Like this one, the third, the fourth, the fifth can lie down. And next I will introduce the coffee table for you. And the coffee table is made by HDF with veneer finish. You can come close to see that here with the round corner and chamfer this size. Like the veneer is very beautiful. And the color also match with the whole this size. And do you hear that here with some music? And now I will introduce the 3 sets of sofa for you. Now you may listen some music here. And now I will introduce the 3 sets of sofa for you. The 3 sets of sofa with the music player here. You can see that. And the control system is here. You can see that here with the wire charge can charge your phone. I'll also use USB. And by control the music, you can use your phone to control the music. You also can use by here. You can control the voice by more big or small. And you also can control by next music. And you also can use the Bluetooth function. The Bluetooth function you can in your room everywhere. You can control the voice like here. You can hear that the voice is become more small. And now we will overlook about the whole set of sofa. The color is very matched with the whole this size. And like the 3 sets of sofa, the handrest also can control. Like here you can see that. And 2 sides also have the music player. And now I will control the music more big by the Bluetooth function. And now let's listening the music and overlook about our showroom. And if you like our product, you can see that the base with our email address and phone number. You can contact us and we will send you the catalog and the price slides. Thank you.